everyone. Welcome back to Kimeds. Today we are discussing about the topic air pollution by particulates and air pollution by hydrocarbons. Firstly, air pollution by hydrocarbons. What are the sources of hydrocarbon in the atmosphere? The major source for hydrocarbon let out into the atmosphere through unburned fuel from automobile exhaust. Evaporation from various parts of the automobiles, incomplete combustion of coal and wood, refining of petroleum as well as it is transfer and use, leakage of industrial solvents, incomplete incineration of waste, etc. They are very harmful to living organisms. Do you know what are the adverse effects of air pollution by hydrocarbons? Even at very low levels, it increases mucus secretion and respiratory tract blockage, resulting in breathing difficulty and cough. At higher levels, they cause suffocation and death. And many of them are carcinogenic in nature. For example, the benzopyrene. It is a compound found in the automobile exhaust as well as in the smoke from the burning of coal, oil and gas industries. Cigarette is a potential carcinogen and causing lung cancer. Moreover, hydrocarbon enter into a series of photochemical reactions in the atmosphere and forms photochemical smog. We have already learned the adverse effects of photochemical smog. It causes irritation to eyes, throats, lungs and reduces the visibility and leading to severe respiratory problems. Further, hydrocarbon affect plants also. They cause damage to leaf tissues, death of flowering parts, shedding of leaves, flowers and ticks, inhibition of their growth and aging. These are the adverse effects of air pollution by hydrocarbons. Next, we can discuss the topic air pollution by particulates. What do you mean by particulates? The term particulates generally means the small airborne particles. It may be solid or liquid. Droplets of inorganic and organic matter. There are two types of particulates, viable particulates and non-viable particulates. Viable particulates includes microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, etc. They are dispersed in the atmosphere and sometimes causes allergy or causes diseases. Non-viable particulates. It includes the various non-living matter, which includes various categories of smoke, dust, fumes, etc. What do you mean by smoke? It's a solid particle or a mixture of solid and liquid particles formed during combustion of organic matter. What do you mean by dust? Dust is a fine solid particles of materials like sand, sawdust, coal, cement, fly ash, etc. produced during crushing and grinding of solid materials. The next particulate matter is fumes. Fumes are the particles of organic solvents, hydrocarbons, metals, metallic oxides, etc. formed from their condensed vapors during various physical and chemical processes. The next particulate matter is mist. They are particles of spray liquids and condensed vapors in air, like those of pesticides, sulfuric acid, etc. These are the various non-viable particulate matter, that is smoke, dust, mist and fumes. Airborne particulates cause considerable air pollution and are dangerous to health of all living organisms. Moreover, automobile exhaust also releases particulates of oxidized polymeric hydrocarbons, aldehydes, ketones, nitrogenous heterocyclic compounds, as well as soot in the atmosphere. Inhalation of these particles causes irritation of eyes, throat, and lungs. This situation is often felt when we move through the city during the peak hours of traffic jam or get trapped in traffic jam. Formaldehyde is a vehicle exhaust that is highly toxic to humans. Particulates are volatile lead compounds, for example tetraethyl lead, which is used as an anti-knocking agent in gasoline, present in automobile exhaust, which is very harmful to children, resulting in brain damage and cancer. Now, leaded gasoline has been banned in several countries, including in India also. Another particulate is asbestos dust. Asbestos dust in air is caused by asbestos industries, wear and tear of asbestos products deeply into the air passages and can stay intact for several years in the innermost region of the lungs. This can cause severe breathing troubles, emphysema, and lung cancer. Another particulate is fly ash. Small particles of ash is called fly ash. These are entering to the atmosphere from unburned coal in thermal power plants, industries, etc. contain compounds of various elements. This can cause lung disorders, emphysema, and affect formation of red blood cells. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon PAH, for example benzopyrene, chrysene, etc. sorbed on soot particles. They are highly carcinogenic in nature. These are the sources and adverse effects of air pollution by particulates.